have church words in their mouth. They know what you want. But let me tell you, go deeper. Don't just settle for the flamboyancy you see outside. Find out if this guy have self-esteem. Find out if he believes in himself. Find out if he has a vision. That's why the first thing you ask a guy, if he's showing interest in you, where are you going? What do you want to become? Because anything is going to become is going to affect you as a woman. If he becomes a pastor, you are Mommy Gio. If he becomes a soldier, you are Magaja. Whatever it becomes affects and turns your personality around. If you say, now life you dey live, now lie. You're already yoked together. You're already yoked. Anytime you receive transfer, you're on your way. It doesn't matter what you are doing in your locality. If it's moving, you are moving. The ladies' world is different from that of the guys. That is why you must develop intrapersonal relationship and know who is coming close to you. Now, when you don't know,